Hello, Mario! In this video, I'm going to put what I call the tile hatch in the bathroom, kitchen and laundry area. Essentially, it's a hatch that is tended to show that the floor surface is tiles or something of that nature. So let's see. Traditionally, they're quite tricky. It can be a little bit tricky to do these. They sort of seem to have a bit of a mind of their own. So here it is here. First thing I'm going to do is, I'll see I've already got a layer 1 there. I don't quite know what that is. I think I'm going to rename and use that layer, as I'm unable to delete it because it has something in it that I'm not aware of. So layer properties, I'm just going to go to layer 1 and I'm going to rename that layer tile hatch. I hope this doesn't cause us a problem. It could well, but I'll sort it out. Tile hatch. And the color, I'm going to choose a color for that, and I'm going to choose like one of these grey colors. I think I'll choose, I think this is 252 I'll choose there. So it'll sit grey on the black and white plan, so it won't sort of obliterate too much text and things later on further down the track. Well, that's my plan anyway. Okay. So these hatches need a fully enclosed area so they don't bleed out into other areas. So first up, what I'm going to do is just draw a line here across there. Oh, first of all, I'm going to go to here and I'm going to go to my tile hatch layer in there. So that make that my current layer. Okay, and I'm just going to draw a line. Oh, one other thing with the tile hatch properties. I'm going to set the line width to 0 because I like a really fine line on these hatches. So not to default 0.05. It's probably not much different, but you know, hey, let's see how we go. So there, so now I'm going to ready to go finally and draw my line across there like that. Okay, so that's my line. You can see it's got that slightly thing. Let's just zoom up here. All right, so now we're going to do a hatch, and I'm going to the hatch that I want to choose is, I think it's up down here a bit. So I want to choose a hatch that's, oh no, it's not that. It's this one here, like that there, but that's on the diagonal, as you can see. So what I'm going to do is just change the rotation of it to 45, and I'm just going to pop it in there. Now you can see that's there. I'm going to put it, I know that I'm going to put it in that door space there, and you can see that it's in there. I don't want it in there. So if I click enough times, I can get it out of there somehow. Oh, I did last time. Click in there. That's better. That's how I want it there. So you don't, obviously, can't see it through there. That's going to sit on top of it. So that all looks pretty good, and except that the scaling is way too small. So here's the scaling here. And you can see that's getting smaller, and if I hold on to here and go whoa, up she goes, bigger and bigger, and I've actually decided on a number, and it's 100, like that there, 100. So there you go. So that's that one done, and I'm just going to push enter there. Okay, so that's sort of a nice big tile on there. I'm picking, there may be 300 millimeters or something like that, like across the sink, so maybe 200s or whatever, but you know, that's sort of what the tile there. So that gives the thing there. We don't want them too small because they just obliterate so much detail and text. So now I'm going to just continue on and do this line across, put a line across there, on that one there. I'm going to put a line repeat line there, just on the right click. I'm just going to go into the door of that cupboard, inside the cupboard, just so that the door closes with a nice gap in there, and then we're just going to put another line in here across. I don't want to go to the middle of that window, I want to actually go to the right angle. Yeah, like so. So that's going to be the edge of my hatch, and then I'm just going to go back here, hatch, and that should all nicely like fit in there. Get inside that door. Close. I don't know what's happened there, because it it worked. Oh, there we go. Last time I used it. Yeah, that's pretty good there, I think. Oh, just a little bit inside. Oh, no, not inside there. I'll go in there. I don't know why it's bleeding into that cupboard there. I'll just go escape there, because that line might not be quite hooked up properly. So then we'll go here, do a hatch edit. Should be able to do a hatch edit. Okay. Right click, hatch edit. And if I just go there, okay, cancel. I'm just going to maybe delete this hatch and start again, see how it goes. So I don't quite know, it bled into that there, so let's just go H for hatch. Okay, and I'll just pick in there, and it doesn't seem to, oh, there we go there, but if I go there, having a bit of trouble. Perhaps if I zoom in here. It's all good everywhere else except the, oh, I'll do that door there. Inside that little door there. That's all going good there. Okay, I'll just leave that there, and then what I'll try and do, I don't quite know what's going on here, just delete that, and I'll draw a line here. Again, I'll just draw this line here. That end point there, and then I'll just put another little hatch in here which should match up. Ah, that's it. So this, you've got to, as I said, they are a little bit fiddly. They can be a little bit fiddly, but I'm pretty happy with that. I've got most things sort of covered there, and yeah, the table and chairs. So that's, yeah, that's our little hatch done. And if we wanted to go and just have a look at our floor plan, you can see that it's just got that slightly nice fine line, a thinner line, and a slightly lower colour, so it's not going to obliterate stuff. So there you go. Let's go back to here. Don't forget, always remember to save as much as you possibly can. And there's all my colours. So that's pretty much all of the line work done. And what we're going to do next, of course, is to obviously dimensioning and text are coming up, so we'll probably have a look at getting the text and stuff in there first, I think, and then we'll do the dimensioning, and then finally we'll fill out the sheet, and that should be finished. So yeah, getting reasonably close to the end there. 22, I think we're up to video 22, so that's 200, roughly 220, maybe 240 minutes, so that's like 3 hours of video there. So obviously if you can, an hour of video, and then you can draw for an hour to get it done, so probably about 6 hours of work, maybe 6 to 10 hours of work at this point. Not too bad, about a week's work really. Yeah, so all very good. Cheers, see you.